Yo, Gigi, what are we doing in the middle of the barangay now?
We're looking for the most popular Carinderia here in Davao.
Okay.
It's a very local place. It's hard to find.
Okay.
But I hope we're gonna find some food and I hope it's gonna be good.
Subscribe to the Explorer! It's like going into someone's time capsule. You have pictures of him when he was a baby. You have pictures of him when he was younger. Pictures of him when he was older. Pictures of all the people who like him. I mean, if my president had something like this in my country, that would have been crazy. This is Bulalo. Bulalo, yes. Okay, so far looks like only chickens and people with tricycles and bicycle shops and yeah.
It's
Interesting area.
It's a very, very local Carinderia and I think we're here.
We're here?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ah, now I get it why you want to come here. Because of the former president.
Yes, he's a very popular figure here in Davao and he is from Davao and he loves to eat here, so we were thinking like, why not? We could try to eat where Prime Minister eats.
President Gigi. Not Prime Minister anymore. Yes, we're in a country where they have presidents just like in our country.
Okay, well.
Okay, let's go inside because so far we're in the middle of the traffic and well, after you. Hello. Good afternoon. Oi, so many pictures.
Yes.
So many memorabilia.
Yes.
Okay.
Organizers of the food we have.
The food is good?
Try to taste it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
First,
Okay.
I see that a lot of people are coming here to get the food. And the vlogger is international as well. So apparently,
Let's see.
we're good.
international ones over there. International newscaster, anchors, reviews over there.
International reviews
Yeah,
over
yeah, yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah,
These
yeah.
are the international journalists. Here are the doctors.
And these are the international travelers from Romania.
Very good. Thank you
Thank you
for
so
coming,
much.
sir.
Thank you for having
Thank you for having us. Okay,
We
Gigi.
will serve you our best food.
Oh,
Now,
Thank you. Thank you so much. I feel so honored.
sit down, sir. Sit down.
Okay, sure.
Papa, Bulalo. Dakwa. Yes.
Okay, apparently we're gonna get the best food ever. So let's see what is on the menu.
Okay, sure. Let's see. Wow. But this has what do you feel about this place?
It's like going into someone's time capsule. You have pictures of him when he was a baby. You have pictures of him when he was younger. Pictures of him when he was older. Pictures of all the people who like him. I mean, if my president had something like this in my country, that would have been crazy. But I'm not judging. I'm here to try the food. I'm not here to talk about politics. So let's see how this is gonna end up.
Sir, this is stuff.
Ooh. Okay. So we eat this before getting the food.
Yes.
Like an appetizer.
Okay.
Okay.
That's the best food we have. The favorite of Vice President Sara and President Digong. Duterte. Yes, that's their
I don't
favorite
know.
one.
We don't know anything about him.
As long as you are doing good in this country, you are safe. And if you are bad, you will be punished. And I will do it for my country. Okay?
Previous before President Marcos is the president, and we have our daughter now as our vice president of the Philippines.
Okay.
Previously, he was our president, our mayor in Davao.
A mayor in
The
Davao.
father was more than 20 years being mayor here before he went to the national.
Oh, okay. And all
The current mayor now is the other, the son, still. Son of President, ex-president Duterte.
it's a big family.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Interesting. So a lot of pictures here. How many? I mean, how often does the president come here? Like the former?
Lately, no show na.
Lately, no show. Do you miss him?
We only serve food to our house.
Okay.
So not here. The security is very. They have to secure the president. They have to secure the family. So every one of them.
When he comes here, does he come with security or does he come alone? That's my big question.
Previously, not the national position, very free.
Okay.
When he was a president previously, the PSG is very tight,
Okay.
securing the safety of him.
Okay. Now that he's not the president anymore, now he can come here freely.
Still, yes, PSG. Because
Still, yeah.
her daughter is the vice president of the Philippines.
Okay, I understand. So he's still,
very
connected.
fragile.
Yes. Okay, cool. Interesting.
Thank you for the introduction.
In my country, I don't know what the president is eating, so it's so cool that in a country, you
Before he
know.
was the president, he was here as he was attorney before this one.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, here. He was this one. Before he become the mayor, before he become any position the government. He was just a local attorney. He has worked at the court as fiscal.
Okay.
Okay. So look here, he has aviator sunglasses.
Oh.
He's
Because
cool.
before
Yes.
he always stays
Interesting.
there every afternoon or lunchtime he was here.
Okay.
Interesting.
That's nice. I'm curious to see how the food is because so far it looks good.
Thank you for the lovely introduction.
Yes,
And
wow.
let's see, we're gonna try out the food too.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce. Okay. The fishy the better. Okay, and this is bulalo.
Bulalo. Bulalo.
Bulalo, yes.
This is the tapa.
Okay, and tapa.
President named that.
He named it this?
Yes.
Okay, now I want to try it. And I eat it just like that with my hand. Okay. This is good. Very good. Thank you.
So you put a soup here.
Okay.
Try put something here. You
On
add
top?
it. Yes. Then you try.
Okay.
Put this fish sauce. Try what's the mixing
combination of the-
all the ingredients.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
It's your palate.
Thank you so much for telling me how to eat. I'm an ignorant and I have no idea.
The bulalo.
Bulalo, tapa, then we have here inalang. We'll let you try the soup. Different kind of soups we have.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Eat first.
Eat first. Let's
Eat first.
Very
Okay,
important.
apparently very important. Eat first, ask questions later. So, as far as I learned, we need to do the mixture of the mixture. Put some from here on top of the rice.
Okay.
Take from the pot, put on the rice. Take from the pot, put on the rice. Then you take some sprinkles and sprinkle it together like from the heavens. And then you have a magical spoon, and you can try the food.
How does it taste?
Nice, yummy.
Oh, good combination. Very good. Let me try the meat.
Where you, sir?
We're from Romania.
Yes, we're from Romania. Yes, Romania. Very far away.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Oh man, it's so good. I like the meat, it's a bit soft. I like this sprinkle is amazing. I don't know. No wonder he likes it so much. I like it as well. And with the veggies and the rice, normally I don't really like rice that much because it makes me fall asleep. But this one, different. I don't know. Maybe it's the rice here in the Philippines is a bit different than the rice everywhere else. No idea how, but it's good. Oh, I almost forgot to put the fish thingy sauce. Ooh. The fish is powerful. Oh yeah. It's Gigi, you have to try it.
Okay.
I cannot describe it to you unless you try it. There you go.
Okay, first time first.
Yes, go.
Okay.
Salty, sour.
Salty, sour.
You like salty
I
stuff
like
and sour stuff.
I like it. It's
You
good.
put it on the meat.
On the meat, right?
On the meat.
It goes with the meat.
Okay, not on the rice. Again, my bad.
But it's very good. It's with what, calamansi or?
Para calamansi.
Okay, thank you. So far so good. We can continue with our bulalao and with our the rest of the food. Let me try it with the meat now. Yes, the lady definitely knows what she's doing. With the meat, it's not that sour anymore. On the rice and everything else, very very sour.
Look at the size of this like piece of bowl of meat and bulalo. if it's very, very cold outside, it's perfect.
Remember the one in Tagaytay, Gigi, when we had to go
Yes,
on the top of the mountain to get some bulalo?
yes. Now we're in the most popular Carinderia here in Davao, and we're trying the
Special,
most popular food and bulalo and
the special President bulalo.
the special President Bulalo. Oh my god. Do you see the piece?
What you normally don't see in our videos. Michael trying to get the battery out because the battery got too big
Yeah.
and because the thingy broke. Ah well, what you gonna do? Keeping it real.
We are now in the most popular Carinderia here in Davao, which is also the president's favorite. So apparently we're having some bulalo. We're trying out the rice and we're trying the meat here. The rice has like a very subtle flavor, but together with the meat
And some sprinkles from the heavens.
and some of this sauce, which I was told it was pretty good and it's sour and spicy. Sour and spicy. It packs the punch. It's really nice.
Very good, Gigi. Out of 10, what is this bulalo?
Out of 10,
Yes.
it's the best. I think it's the best bulalo I've tried.
Obviously.
On par with the one in Manila, maybe.
Obviously, it has to be the best one because it's the president's bulalo. So, if you don't like the president's bulalo, I think you have a problem. Okay, no more joking on my side. That people are gonna take me seriously.
Oh, more soup.
Thank you.
Oh, we're getting soup refill. Thank you.
We don't usually eat rice.
Rice?
We don't usually eat rice.
Yeah.
No, I don't usually eat rice. I fall asleep if I eat too much rice. But this one is good. Thank you.
And our channel is this one. Do you have Michael Yes. Dodo Explorers.
Yes. Dodo. Explorers.
You learned that, huh? You learned that.
I learned the bad words first.
How many days are you here in the Philippines?
We came 4 days ago, but before that we came 4 months. Because we like it so much here, we came back.
So you stayed here for how long?
In Davao for only 4 days.
And the rest
days
of the
of time.
Philippines?
The rest of the Philippines 4 months.
Wow!
Yes.
You went all over?
Mostly Luzon and Cebu area and islands.
Palawan, you've been there?
No, that's the one we
Try
skipped.
Coron, Palawan.
Okay.
Search it.
Thank you.
Coron, Palawan, very nice place there.
Okay.
Especially Bohol there.
Yes.
Yes.
I promise you I will go to Palawan.
Oh, Michael made a promise. It's official now.
I'm going to Palawan, guys.
Palawan and Bohol.
And Bohol.
Very beautiful place.
Wow.
Everywhere there. Lots of
Everywhere.
islands, snorkeling, you can go.
Okay.
Thank you for the suggestions. They're as good as the food you made today for us.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Nice. Enjoy,
I think there's
Michael.
nothing more to say, Gigi, than
Enjoy.
finish our food and see where the road takes us.
Are you staying here in Davao? Yes.
San Pedro.
San Pedro Street.
Yes. In the middle of the action.
And the middle of the
Yes.
action.
You know, food and the people is one of the reasons I want to come back to the Philippines.
Okay.
People are the friendliest ever and the food is one of the best.
Yeah. Really good. We love to eat. That's why we're happy.
After 4 months of staying in the Philippines, I became fatter.
Wow. So you can now, you know why you become like that also.
I know, I become healthy.
Especially if you eat a lot of rice.
Hmm. But here the rice is good, so I don't know what to do.
Thank you.
I'm conflicted. Gigi, you stole my soup. Give me that soup.
How about, you want more hinala?
No, I'm good. We have a lot of food here. We have to finish. I don't know how we're going to finish. Okay, Gigi, through the miracle of time, apparently we cleaned everything, more or less. But yeah, I think we're full.
It has been an amazing food. Bulalo, the best one in Davao. A very good, yummy carinderia here. yummy food, welcoming people, a lot of pictures everywhere, a lot of political figures, a lot of doctors and vloggers and crazy.
Food is amazing.
Picture.
Sure. Pictures are good every time.
Girls, go ahead. Yes.
Ladies, let's
Fine, I
take
will
pictures.
follow this one.
Thank you. Thank you.
Try to
Appreciate
visit
it.
the whole place of Bohol, the Coron, Palawan, the islands there.
Thank
You will love
you.
it,
Thank you so much.
promise.
Thank
And
you.
love
Yes, we'll
pictures.
try our best.
Oh, we didn't have a picture.
Let's take pictures.
Picture time.
Over there.
Okay, over there.
Yes. What's your name, sir?
Michael. Michael and Gigi.
Gigi.
Yes. And Gigi Hadid.
I cannot memorize that one. What's that? Gigi and Michael.
Yes, Gigi and Michael.
Anna.
Anna.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Yes, my mother is the one who tried to enter. What do you mean by this? Who try to put all the things you love here.
And on the table.
Yes, and you love it.
Thank you so much.
Delicious stuff. No.
We loved it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next time around, you go to places or like beaches. Try to bring that one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Masarap. Masarap.
I will come back to get one of these.
Yes.
Now I don't have to where to put it because I'm just like this. But I will definitely come back to get it.
Oh, your tummy gets bigger here in the Philippines.
650.
Okay, thank you.
We just
Okay.
walk by there at the Magsaysay, you know there.
Yes. I know where the Magsesa is.
Yes, and you try
I
to
saw
eat.
it on the way coming here.
Yes, and you try to eat coriander.
Sure.
Kulas, you know kulas?
Kulas becoming Filipino. Yes. And best ever, I saw here.
Best ever.
A lot of competition Gigi here.
Ay, oh, si Kuan. Competition? That's not even in the...
Best ever food review show. Kulas becoming Filipino. Senator Rino Nima
Shout out
Marcos.
to them, shout out.
You can never grow old. A lot of people. So many noises here. I don't know what is happening. Thank you.
Miss Universe Gigi.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anna.
The food is
Come back
amazing.
later.
Sure.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And we will be famous in your club.
Have a nice remaining day.
Yes, thank you.
Salamat po.
We're having this here. Oh my goodness, this happened. So we're branded this one.
Yes. I think our Dodo sticker is now on the door. Perfectly forever there to sit next to the face of the nice lady on the door. Thank you. Okay. That being said, Gigi, we came here, we got the food. We make friends with the people. Now it's raining, so it's time for us to go.
Do what the lady says. Subscribe to the Explorer.
Yes, subscribe to Dodo Explorers. Otherwise, the boogeyman will get you. Bye bye.